welcome to Garden State Tile. Today we're going to feature our Titan series. So Titan is this unique kind of new take on the classic terrazzo that you would see throughout the market. Typical terrazzo has these spatterings of flecks of different glass or aggregates spread kind of throughout the whole entire tile. What I love about Titan is that it's really like organically placed. So on a full install you see spatterings of this terrazzo inclusion kind of printing, and it's just something really unique and a little bit outside the box in this world. It's just a great and versatile series. It has loads of size options and colors, and you can come up with so many different concepts that no two spaces have to be the same. This can be a gorgeous kitchen backsplash in a modern industrial kind of environment. It could also be a feature wall in your bathroom or behind your vanity, on your powder wall. You can run it through your floors in a commercial or in a residential setting. So there's a million ways to use it. There's no wrong way to use it. And there's also like these great ideas to kind of blend color together. You can do a two-tone chevron that has a mix of tones that kind of encapsulate some different like classic tones, but with a twist. And something that I love is the stack mosaic, because you can flip it vertically or horizontally. This can be run through your flooring, it could be run up a feature wall. You could pair it with the large format to just add like layers of interest and texture, but you can also pair it with other materials like one of our classic ceramic lines that kind of works in cohesively with it. So there's no wrong way to use it, and for a designer like myself, it's a lot of fun to work with our clients and come up with all these different unique and kind of spicy concepts.